Oh, look at that sweetness.
Thank you for letting me visit
Is Tommy your new favorite elephant now? Alright guys, I think...
How old is Tommy, did you say?
She's 36.
Okay.
I always remember she's a year younger.
Now, what is she going to do now? Like, right
She'll
now?
go back out on exhibit, be out with some of the other elephants that we have.
Uh-huh.
Hey, hang out by the pool.
She has a rough life.
Oh, so sweet.
Megan, look at your picture.
Good pictures.
That
Colors.
is just beautiful.
Look,
Do you want one with her like that?
do you want one of her like that with you in front of her,
yes,
Megan?
yes, Megan.
You stand. Oh, she's precious.
Well, I'm recording. You have the camera.
Oh,
dear.
I'm sorry.
She's...
I'm like, I can't get Megan. Olivia, I told you I suck at that.
I was like, you need me to back up? Get back up.
Oh, we also have the camera there.
Back up. So that way, if I
It's a-
back up, you can back up. You're fine. Just tell me when you're ready. Okay.
That's okay there.
Oh, Megan, that is awesome. It's doing like a little pose. How precious is that?
You come this way, Leah. Perfect.
Of course, I had the film facing the ground because I didn't know it was on.
Oh, wow.
Good job, Tommy.
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You have that still recording?
I did probably. We'll have to edit it.